In this splendid era, through this window, what do we see? What kind of world is it? Light, water, wind merge into our lives, just like every breath we take. In this splendid era, utilizing electricity is no longer a challenge. However, have we ever wondered what enables electrical energy to benefit humanity in a safer, more efficient, and smarter way? And what serves as the link connecting the normality of electricity and the miracle of green energy? Today, TENGEN is carving the path to provide new answers through its own way. How to intelligently enhance operational safety and reduce customer electricity loss has become a paramount concern for TENGEN. At global sporting events where there is no room for error, ensuring the absolute protection of our proud homeland. For athletes and guests from all corners of the globe, how to guarantee high-quality service and electricity environment in today's era of technological revolution, from traversing mountains and seas to navigating the digital world. At every crucial moment of 5G's transformative mobile network communication, how data centers never lose connectivity. For those distant friends on the One Belt, One Road routes, how to provide robust support for their energy management and intelligent development. Today, we see the beauty of the world and the trust behind that beauty. TENGEN, your reliable smart power distribution expert, is omnipresent, wholeheartedly guarding. With a calm heart, we listen attentively, grasping every need and voice of our customers. Products are not just the culmination of technology, but precise responses to problems. Every technological leap is a challenge for the industry. Every revolutionary innovation embodies countless instances of perseverance. Hand in hand with our customers, TENGEN ventures into research and development, journeying together to make products more reliable. With the power of lean, TENGEN turns dreams into reality, leading the way in intelligent future factories domestically, making production lines smarter, manufacturing more transparent, quality traceable, and products more reliable. 100% automatic testing of key processes, RFID whole process product tracking, making smart manufacturing more reliable. Intelligent Logistics Center of the Industry Benchmark, systematized professional service system. One step faster, winning in synergy. Make delivery and service more reliable. In today's world, we conquer mountains, cross oceans, ride the winds, pierce through the clouds, chase the light, reaching any corner of the world. Make Made in China become intelligent manufacturing in China. TENGEN, your reliable smart power distribution expert. Reliable power for better life.